Today will be a very colorful day because in this video you will learn common colors in Turkish. Let's start. Color means renk in Turkish. Red, kırmızı. Orange, turuncu. Yellow, sarı. Green, yeşil. Blue, mavi. Purple, mor. Pink, pembe. Brown, kahverengi. Black, siyah. White, beyaz. Gray, gri. Light, açık. Dark, koyu. You can learn hundreds of colors by translation. Today, your task is to memorize colors and to think which one is your color. For more videos, don't forget to put like to our videos, subscribe our channel and turn your notification on. See you in next lesson.